from Technopreneurs Techno Labs. We are your digital entrepreneurs. So we are providing RPA automation, that is robotic process automations. So we need to do some repetitive tasks in our daily life, like we have some records and we need to fill out some forms, or we need to enter some data into third party software like Tally. We are calling it data entry. So we are making automation bots for this type of repetitive task. So let me start the demo. So we have this system, Orange HRM. This is open source system. So we have used this system for demo purpose. So what automation needs to do is, it will log in to this system. As we are logging manually, it will go to recruitment tab, right? There is one record exists here. Now I want to add around 600 records here. So it will definitely take time, right? If I click on add, so there are some fields like first name, middle name and last name. There are some other fields also like date and email address, contact number, like this. So I want to add record. So one record will definitely take 1 to 2 minutes, right, to enter to this system. So what we have done is, we have built the automation, and automation will fill up the data on behalf of us. So I have 600 records. So from where automation will take those data? So we have this Google Sheet. Automation will take all the latest data from this Google Sheet. So we have integrated this Google Sheet API with our automation bot. So automation will fetch all the data from this Google Sheet and enter those data into this system. Okay, so now there is a catch. We have full name, column name is full name, but here we have first name, middle name and last name. We have 3 different fields for one column. So we have trained the automation to fetch the first name, middle name and last name from this full name column. There is another catch. We don't need to enter the associate IT manager. If we click on here, we are not able to enter anything in this field. We have only options. So automation will detect this field. It will fetch all the options here and it will select the appropriate option. We have also created this template here. So we have drop down here in Google Sheet. So automation will take this value, associate IT manager, and it will check if associate IT manager value is there or not. If it is there, then it will select, or we will get error. So how automation will check if the record is already created in the system or not? So we have this row, added in record. If the record is successfully created, then automation will update this value to yes, and it will also update the column. It will put success as the string in this column. All right, so we want to show how the automation is working. Okay, so we have this exe file, we can say exe in Windows, and we have this executable file in MacBook. So what we need to do is, we need to copy this Google Sheet URL and we need to paste this URL in this field, and just sit back and relax and click on trigger bot. Now automation will do anything and everything. As we can see, it has successfully launched the Mozilla browser, Mozilla Firefox. It logged into the system, it is filling the data, and it took less than 1 second to fill out one record. Also, this automation can run in background. So I am accessing different screen here and automation is running in background. Also, as we can see, the records have been successfully created and the rows are successfully updated to yes, and we have bot comment as success. So these records are successfully gets created. If we can see, so automation is running in Firefox. I am using Chrome. So just to verify if the record are created successfully or not, although automation is also validating all the records, they are created successfully or not. After adding the record, if automation is clicking on save, it will fill out all the fields here. It will click on save, and then the next screen it will validate the record is created successfully or not. Then only it will update the column here yes, and it will also add the string success to this column, right? So I have 600 records here for demo purpose, and automation will enter all those data into the system. So we have less than 20 seconds currently, and as we can see, all these records have been entered into the system successfully in less than 15 to 20 seconds. So it is fast also. So this is the main demo we want to show you. If you want to see how automation is running, see the speed we are observing. See, it is clicking on add, filling out all the fields, click on create, and then it will validate this screen. The record is successfully created, and proceed for the next record creation. That's it. As we can see here, we have this Google Sheet updated for around 16 records now. So this is how automation is working. So we Technopreneurs Technolabs are providing this RPA bots. We develop this kind of repetitive task. We develop bots for this kind of repetitive task. We also develop IQ bots, that is intelligent bots. We also provide desktop application automations like Tally or Vista or any kind of desktop application where the repetitive task is needed. We also provide automations for web applications like this Orange HRM system. We are also following with the income tax portal. So we also provide automations for government portals like income tax portal or GST portal, and the data entry will be done by automation. No manual efforts will be needed, right? And if there is any application which can't be automated, like there is no web application, there is no desktop application, so we also provide image based automation. So we are using Sikuli for image based automation. It will detect the image. If I want to click on this reader icon, it will take the image of reader and check if 50 or 60% of the reader image is matching on this icon, then automation will click on this reader icon. So this is how image based automation is working. Okay, and if you want to order this automation bots, then you can go to this link. I will provide this link in the description. You can go to this link and purchase the packages. We have basic package, standard package and premium package. All the package details are given here in the descriptions. If you have any queries, feel free to reach out at technopreneurs@gmail.com, or you can call us anytime.